Good morning everybody and welcome to another episode of Scrapman UK. Today we're going to be taking a look at our Harris shear. This is a very old piece of equipment, probably 30-40 years old, older than me. Still does a cracking job. We are going to start off at the front end. This is the cutting end, the throat as we call it. As you can see, that's the cutting blade going up and down, cutting the material. This has an average cutting force of about 2,200 tons and it's powered by 3 hydraulic cylinders on top, and there's one behind for the holding clamp.
Creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
And we come around the back. We have 2 hydraulic rams here for the control of the lid. All hydraulics are fed from in here, which is the pump house we call it. It has about 8 powerful electric motors powering all the hydraulics, and everything is controlled from up here in the control tower. We've got Dave in there on the buttons today. Pan round, a bit of material here, some bins that we're getting rid of for the last time now, getting rid of everything on stock. This is the pan, this is where you put all the material and everything falls in. The square brown building on the side, that is the side press, so there's 2 large rams in the roof of that building there which power the side press. That is everything to know really. I will leave it with you to watch the rest of the video. Stay tuned for more.